What is going on, guys? Scott here from Horizon Bound. So I have an awesome new product from Devos to share with you guys. It's the LightRanger 2000. So they currently have the LightRanger 800, their LightRanger 1200, which is their flagship model, and now they just released the LightRanger 2000. And this can do all of the same stuff that the 800 and 1200 can do. You can switch between the different zones. You can dim them. Takes a little while, but it's slowly going down. You can now switch between different colors. So rather than having the accessory that would slide up into it, it's now built in. So you can switch between white, amber, and red. But not only that, you can also still use the same accessories. So the solar panel, the battery pack, all of that still works on the 2000, snaps in easy like that. But the best part, my favorite part about all this, is now it has an app. So I can control everything from my smartphone. So as you can see, it's currently set to white. I can switch it to amber. I can switch it to red. You can change the different zones that you want lit. You can dim it. You can brighten it. You can see that it's charging. You can turn it off, turn it on. So you can now do this from your phone, which means no more getting up from the chair to change the colors or dim it. No more having to struggle finding where the Devos is when you got to get up at 2 in the morning to use the restroom. Just tap the button, turn it on. You've got light. Switch it to red. And now your eyes are able to easily adjust and you're good to go. Guys, this is awesome. I'm loving this thing. If you want to pick up one of these Devos LightRanger 2000s for yourself, head over to devosoutdoor.com and use code HorizonBound at checkout. You'll get 10% off your order. But go grab one of these today and add it to your camping accessories. You guys will not be disappointed. Hope you guys have a great day.